each round, a 1 minute interval, 3 rounds. Round number 1. Tumama yung, pero tumama din yung red. Sold sila, nakatama na. Red corner is 15 years old. Yung blue corner is 12 years old pa lamang. Tumama naman ng isang looping right hand doon yung blue corner. Medyo nagtitinginan lang silang dalawa dito. Tumama si blue corner doon, ha? Okay, taking their time, aba. Hindi nagmamadali. Red corner. Pumuporma, sumusuka. Nag-aantay. Naka-counter si blue corner. Tumatama yung blue corner. Tumapa naman si red corner doon. Tumatama yung bumabawi si blue corner dito, mga kaibigan. Sabi ng corner ng blue corner, puso daw. Aba, mukhang nakabawi dito si blue corner, although na bilangan siya ng una. Pero tumama si red corner doon, wala pa. End of round number 1. So far, maganda po ang ating palitan, mga kaibigan. Pero nakaka-score po ng standing 8 doon si red corner. Get ready, John Jeffrey Concha versus Yuan Zairo Sabe. And then after that, Carlo Castillanes versus Charles Harold Pereña. And then after that, Dylan Elisa versus Dennis Ivan Ibarreta. Get ready. And then James Mercado and Jonathan Angeles. Bout number 6. And then bout number 7, Marco Dionisio Ordioso versus Zach Lawrence Lee Cruz. Get ready. Last round. Okay, last round kasi beginner daw, mga idol. Last round to. Box. Ito, medyo nag-iintayan kasi sila eh. So, the winner of this bout can possibly win this fight. So, let's see kung sino ang mas gusto manalo dito. Tumata! Magandang timing nito. Pero tumama din siya eh. Pero may balik yung blue, ha? Magandang palitan, soba. Grabe palitan ito. Book by the red corner.
Tapon jump straight.
Medyo tumigil yung pagsumpok dito ng blue. Pero bumawi si blue corner doon.
Jump straight.
yung ilong ng blue corner.
Jump straight na, jump straight.
Nice grab by the blue corner. Hook straight by the red corner. Oy, nice straight by the red corner. Pero bibilangan na to ni referee Lee. Last 10 seconds. And off the bag, we will go to the scorecard. Calling our medical team to check our fighter from the blue corner. Ladies and gentlemen, after 2 rounds of amateur boxing, we have a winner by unanimous decision. Your winner, red corner, Alan Chris Joe Castillo.